Our quest for getting better never stops. That's why, in this new year, we have brought a new and bettered student and parent app for you. In this new form of lead app, students will get everything in just one click. One-click video, one-click goals of the day, one-click homework, one-click quiz, one-click unlimited practice, and even one-click doubt solving. And with all this, parents will also get a dedicated parents section where you can find all school-related information at one place. The new Lead Student and Parent app makes your child's learning experience much better. Update now.